Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Hey, this is our first newsletter of the spring, and I'm excited to send this one out to you. We've got some new models that are in the lineup. So scroll down the email that I sent you. You'll see the new Azimuth 43 Atlantis. You'll see the new Galleon 405. Really cool brands that we carry as part of our portfolio. And I think you'll be impressed at what you see. I'd love to have you out to show these to you personally as well. As these are the first time either one of these brands have actually been floating in our local lakes here in North Texas. So love to show that to you. We just came off of an incredible weekend at Wine and Waves. We christened 3 new owners' yachts, a new 510, a new 460, a new 400, and it was a magical night with the fireworks, the music, all of our sponsors that came out for us. We can't thank them enough. Tommy Bahama, Blue Chair Bay Rum. We just had some great sponsors, Park Place Premier Collection, and I really feel like we're blessed to be into 2018. It's been a remarkable winter. I can't tell you the adventures that we've been on this winter. The projects that we have in works right now are really, really neat. We've got a 650 Fly currently in production for an owner that has every bell and whistle is on the boat. So really excited to see that one complete here in April or beginning of May. So I want to invite you out to our webpage at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Just go to marinemax.com and search for the Yacht Center and go in and check out our events and getaways for this year. We've got some great ones on the books. The next couple coming up, Cheeseburger in Paradise. It's actually a local event right here on Lake Lewisville at Getaway Island. We're going to obviously, Jimmy Buffett loves his Cheeseburger in Paradise song, and I think we all know the words. We kind of put it into action, put it into life, and Cheeseburger's a laid-back event, really our first event on the dock that we do. Chill, a little live music, maybe a little recorded music. Not sure yet how we're going to do that. Either way, I think you know it'll be a great afternoon. Also, we're working on our Sea Ray de Mayo. It is an invitation-only event, and love to talk to you about what that looks like. But this year, we're kind of changing things up. We've had a overnight shrimp and lobster in years past, and this year we're calling it Sea Ray de Mayo on Cinco de Mayo, May the 5th and 6th. It is an overnight event, and we're really trying to shake up what that looks like. We're working on that actively. We'll be rolling that out soon. So, hey, do me a favor. Check out the boats that you see below on the email. You'll see the new Ocean Alexander 70E that's on there. Obviously not a boat that we bring here, but a lot of you are really starting to talk about what Florida boating looks like. Great boat for Florida. Next level boat for sure. I think you'll see that when you look through the photos and the online content that we have. The Galleon and the Azimuth are something worth you taking some time to come down here and check out. I'm sitting on a 460 Sundancer right now, and you guys know how fond I am of this particular model with the full beam master and just the overall entertainment areas on this boat. If you haven't been on this boat, call me. I want to get you on the boat. But the Galleon and Azimuth are an open cockpit style of boat, which we haven't seen here on the lake in a little while. In regards to new products, Sea Ray's offering all closed cockpit boats, and these two models are offering the open cockpit, more traditional cockpit layout and styling, where you have more outdoor space than indoor space, and we'd like to walk you through that. So give me a call. My name is Brendan Bailey. I'm at the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Lewisville, Pier 121 Marina. My number is 972-670-8211. I'd love to talk to you. Love to have you out for a visit here to the docks. If you're just coming out for the weekend to go to the Rockin' Nest, to enjoy the bar and grill there, stop in and say hi. You got to walk by my office to do that. Make a trip out. We'd love to see you. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.